It's a lot.
Hello, Martina. How are you? Happy to be in the Amazon of Ecuador.
Okay, what are we doing?
Today you're gonna try exotic food.
Estamos quitándole todas las extremidades, lo que es las alitas y las patitas para que pueda.
She's gonna eat bugs from the Amazon, but it's much better to eat meat.
He took off all the legs and arms, and this one's got a little squirrely head.
Antonio is gonna eat first. Antonio, come primero. Okay. You can do it, no problem. You see, it's much better of meat, right?
¿Cómo es?
Yeah.
Oh, sí.
¿Es frito o qué? ¿Cocinado con qué?
Es simplemente tostado, es puesto en una olla y removido con sal para que puedas disfrutarlo siempre.
Okay, so they just,
It's a lot of protein.
it's full of protein and you just grill it with a little bit of salt and oil.
Yeah.
Y dura mucho tiempo.
Yeah.
And only once a
Puedes
year
guardarlo por
can
mucho
you
tiempo.
eat the
Yeah, you can
hornitos.
try this. Yeah. Oh, nice, right? Go ahead, go ahead. This is like you are
Crunchy and
eating
juicy.
a meat,
Yeah.
you know.
Otro?
Qué lindo.
So here, thank you. Nice view here in the park. Thank you for trying exotic food, Martina. Welcome to the Ecuador
Ayango.
Amazon.